Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you some of our Easter attachments that we have that are perfect for all of your wreath making, craft making, anything that you're getting ready for Easter. These are going to be perfect. So first I have our carrot, really cute. It's plush, and then it does have the wiring on the back so that you can attach it to whatever you're designing that day. Love this. And then we have this girl Easter bunny kit. This is a two-piece set. So we've got her legs, and then this is her head. And we do have the wiring on both of the pieces. This is really pretty inside of a wreath. Really fun too. And then one of our most popular, we do have the Easter butt. We have him in brown and we have him in pink, and they have the little tail as well. And all of our attachments that I am showing you, it does have the wiring. So like I said, if you're doing a teardrop, swag, wreath, it's super easy to attach. All these are available online as well. Here is the pink option as well. These are both the same, just different color, whichever color you do prefer. We have the perfect ribbon to go with these attachments. And then also, this one's like the first one that I showed you. This is the bunny butt with the ears. It has the purple, it's got the little carrots in the back, and then everybody loves the flowers at the top. So this is another option for Easter. And then we do have one more. I call him Peter Cottontail. It's really cute. It's the bottom. And then the ears, he's got the carrots in the back of his pockets as well. And like I said, they all do have the attachments. So lots of options for your Easter attachments to go in your wreaths. You can shop everything at www.tmigifts.com. And don't forget, you get free shipping when you shop online when you spend $50 or more.